Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawudlala against iLamontville Golden Arrows. Le game izoyibaleka kakhulu ke le bafethu for Orlando Pirates because iMamelodi Sundowns iyabaleka ngempela lapha phezulu. So iOrlando Pirates iyawudinga u3 points and iyawadinga amagoli ukuze ke bazolula igame. Asikho ke isikhathi sama draws, asikho isikhathi sama losses. Right now Orlando Pirates kumele yenze umsebenzi. Iwine each and every game ezoyidlala going forward. And le game le bafethu izobe inzima ngempela. Remember ke Golden Arrows kade yagcina ukushaya Orlando Pirates. The last time Golden Arrows ishaya Orlando Pirates was back in 2021. Orlando Pirates isiwine the last 7 games in a row. Ishaya Golden Arrows. So Orlando Pirates inayo vele upper hand against Golden Arrows. Last season sidlala le Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates iyawina ngo 7-0 if I'm not mistaken. So Orlando Pirates gifuna iphinde the same score against yona Golden Arrows. But again, this is a different Golden Arrows because inomanqoba mnqithi. So lana ngizoshayelana prediction yami ungayigxeke yami ungitshele wena eyakho ngokwakho ukuthi ke ungakhetha bapha abadlali yabo ungayigxeki eyami ungibhalele nje lapho kuma comments ngigxeke ke nami lapho ngixaka khona ngiqale nje epalini nyalwazi kude abafethu angifuna ukulo ngiyalena le. You know the main man to start behind the polls for Orlando Pirates okuba nina okusipho chain. It has been a while since we last saw Orlando Pirates uthi idlala kanjani. Amathima amaningi asebuyile asedlalile but ke yona Orlando Pirates ayikakadlali ever since international break iphelile. Le game le kumele benze sure ukuthi abajita abahlalanga kakhulu kuma holiday. And I trust uSipho Chain to collect another clean sheet against the Golden Arrows aqhubeke nale form anayo. Siza lapha ngama defenders. Ukuthi ma defenders angifuna ukule ngishintsha kakhulu bafethu. The same center back pairing kumele siqhubeke nayo going forward ukuba nina okusibisi again uCM. Sibisi and CM abajida bobawu2 bayaqhubeka right now ipartnership yabo. Yes, abantu abaningi bafuna ukubona another player okuba nina okumphotsha batsana but ke we need to keep the same center back pairing for now because if you want to change the center back pairing izinto kungenzeka ishintshe zingahambi kahle because once you change the center back pairing remember ama center backs kumele azwane ndawonye and athembane yabo. Mase uzofaka another center back in the mix leyo nto izomosha ifluidity Orlando Pirates. So I feel like le partnership le isiyakhiwe already yabo sekushota nje ukuthi ke kube khona leyo nto leyo ezowenza iqine kakhulu. Le partnership is strong already. So I trust abajida bawu2 ukuthi bakhiphe another clean sheet. Remember Orlando Pirates is the only team ku Betway Premiership engakazi concede ama goals amaningi. So I don't know why abantu bekhala kakhulu because the partnership iyasebenza emuva. Abajida bayakwazi ukuthi ba defend kahle emuva. uSipho Change unama clean sheets amaningi kule season because of these two guys. Yabo, why are we complaining? Mase siza lapha kuma wing backs. Kuma wing backs nyalwazi udaba. You don't need to change izinto eziningi. The wing back Orlando Pirates okuba na ukusibelebele on the right wing back side mase kuba uDion Hoto on the left wing back side. I like the fact that uSibelebele usezakhilile igama kule position yabo. I used to tell people regarding uSibelebele ukuthi uSibelebele is not a winger. You cannot play him as a winger. Yes, he can play as a winger but you cannot play him there. Yena umjida udlala emuva yabo, udlala emuva yakwazi akhuphuke ayo edema numbers phambili same as uDion Hoto. And umcomparison yena umjida umcomparison noShando, there's a big difference between uSibelebele and uShando. Uyakwazi ukukhuphuka uSibelebele ayephezulu aphinda abuye futhi check back azokwazi ukusiza team imark same as uDion Hoto. Umjida uyakwazi ukukhuphuka ephezulu but one thing I don't really like about uDion Hoto ilento leyo ukuthi yabo ahlule ukushaya amabhola ashaya ama cross yabo. I remember the cross ayishayela for uTito Maswanga. It was a good cross and yayidingakala le cross le. If uDion Hoto angasashaya more crosses akanjeyana umjida angaba one of the best wing backs esesaba nawo lapha ka left. But ke umjida vele usezakhelile udumo usefana njenge legend emehlweni wami for Orlando Pirates. So le back four le I trust yona ukuthi ke isinikeze u3 points against iGolden Arrows. Masukuthi ke lapha ku number 6 ke futhi nyalwazi udaba akumele sishintshe kakhulu because the number 6 position inobani na inoMakehleni Makhawula umjida lapha eswini. So far he has been doing very good. The last time Orlando Pirates idlala umjida akadlalanga lapha. Abdeslam Wadwa akamqalisanga bafethu wa approach igame ngenye indlela but ke Orlando Pirates yakwazi iwine leyo game ngescore esikhulu. But mose uzodlala neGolden Arrows uyodlala neteam ekwazi ukuthi ke isithe at the back and iyakwazi ke ikubambe ngama counter attack naseswini nabadlali abakwazi ukudlala ibhola elikahle. So asikodlala noma yipi team. So you need a player like uMakehleni Makhawula to boost that midfield and anikeze Orlando Pirates an extra edge ukuthi ke bakwathi baye phambili bangabheki kakhulu emuva yabo bangabheki kakhulu emuva ukuthi ubani ogade emuva kumele nje kuyiwe phambili kuyo-attackwa but keep in mind ukuthi ke you have a player that will guard each and every mistake eyenziwa ke ama-forwards Orlando Pirates. He will come in handy and clean up the mess ezokudalwa ama-forward. Masukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe mina ngokwami I prefer uTalende Mbatha to play that number 8 position. Uyamazi uTalende Mbatha for Orlando Pirates umjida he has been playing very good so far. I saw uNemtanjela bafethu picking up an injury against the CS Galaxy. I hope umjida uzoshesha alulame because we need each and every player to fight for Orlando Pirates because sesemaphethelweni okugcina ileague. Njengoba ileague isiyophela nje you need each and every player to pick up his socks bakhuphula amasokisi abajida bafethu because we need each and every player. Same as uTito Maswanganye umjida mina ngamqalisa as number 10 kule game esoyidlala against the Golden Arrows. So far nyasibona ke ischeme sami emuva iback four yami isolid ayikhona ayikho into eshintshile yabo naseswini ngaqalisa bani na Makehleni Makhawula with uTalende Mbatha and uTito Maswanganye iyona ke le midfield engayiqalisa. Wena ungangitshela ama-comments ungaqalisa yiphi midfield mase ngiya kuma-forwards nakhona alukho lithini engalishintsha lapha bafethu. Ngaqalisa bani ka left ngingaqalisa Mofokeng I'll start Mofokeng as a left. I'll start him as a left winger. I know many people would like to see him as a number 10 but ke Mofokeng guys there are games lapho khona ongamdlalisa as a number 10 and there are games lapho khona ongamdlalisa as a winger. And igame kanje bafethu we are playing against a Golden Arrows ethanda ukuya phezulu kakhulu. Njengoba ithanda ukuya phezulu Golden Arrows you need a player like Mofokeng ozokwazi ukuthi ke I calm it down Golden Arrows ingakhuphuka kakhulu because remember once you play Mofokeng far wide i-defender lizobedlala lapho lizonikezwa i-authority ukuthi ke ungakhuphuka kakhulu. There's a player ukubani na okumfukeng ozobedlala leyo position so your duty is to guard that player ukuthi angaphunyuki. So you need Mofokeng abe far wide and you need a player like uTito Maswanganye to infiltrate that space asebenzise indlela zakhe his abilities to make the team score ama-goal. Same as that right hand side I need Osuna Police to play that position very good umjida akwazi provide ama-cross eboxini. We need goals. That is why I will play ubani na that is why I will play Evidence Makgopa lapha up front. Remember we are playing against a master tactician okubani na okumanqoba Mngqithu. He likes to play ibhola emuva. Njengoba eqala nje kakhulu ibhola emuva you need a player ozokwazi ayoyipressa i-team ayopressa inina ayopressa yona le team esiyodlala na iGolden Arrows. So a player like Makgopa he does that very well. So for me this is the only lineup I can guarantee you ukuthi le lineup lingakunikeza 3 points yabo. I can guarantee you ngakutshela manje this lineup can give you i-league yabo. Masuqalise le lineup le each and every game going forward singabuya na i-Betway Premiership but ke wena wangitshela ngokwakho kuma comments ingathini lineup yakho ungayigxeke yami ungitshele nje wena yakho ukuthi ke